channel. So in this video, a lot of people are asking me how I order my cream online. So it finally came. So I ordered this one, my cream. So it came. Now I am going to show you what is inside. So I just started by opening this. So as you can see, it's all sealed. It came like this. I received this one yesterday, but I decided to open it today. So I was not really having time yesterday to open it, so I say, okay, let me go ahead and open this today. So as you can see, so wait. So my god. So it always came like this. So as you can see, they pack it with this. It came with the book. So the cream, because my cream is almost finished. So my cream and the tea. All this big cartoon for only these two. Can you imagine? Can you imagine? So it came with this also. I think this is the receipt. Yeah, this is the receipt, the total cost of the cream and the receipt. It came like this. It's the cost of it. And also with this, came with this. And they wrap it like this. So oops. So as you can see, this, because the one I'm using, it's almost finished, so I decided to get another one. I like pumping this thing, as you can see. I like it. So this time around, I decided to try this on. This is the whitening shea butter face and neck, for face and neck. Yeah, because I've been using this. I tried this one, but I think I don't see any reaction for this one, this cream. So I don't know, if I think it don't fit me or something, because I don't see any fast reaction and I don't see it's making too much difference. So now I just say, okay, let me go ahead to try this one, this other one. This one is the, let me see, okay, look at it here. It's with shea butter for face and neck, as you can see. Yeah, so let me show you how it look like inside. So it's like this. I never used this before, this particular one. I always use this one, but I think this one is working really slow. I don't know, I don't see too much action, and it's quite the same price, though this is a little bit expensive than this one. But I think I just want to try this and see how this one work. It came like this. So oh guys, it smells really nice. It smells really lovely, as you can see. It smells so good, guys. The smell is really good. It smells really good. So this is the cream, because the one I'm using is already finished. It's almost finished. So I say, let me get this again. Let me get it again. So this one, I will start using it, and I will tell you guys how this one is working. I never used this. This is my first time using this type. So I am going ahead to try this, and I will give you the feedback later. Yes. So for the people that are asking how to order this, it's really simple. If you want to order this cream online, just go. Wait, let me show you. I'll try to show you, but I don't know if you can see because of the light. I don't know if you can see this. Wait, let me show you something here. You can see?
Oh, yes.
This is Google. This is Google. Okay. This is Google. You go in Google. You go into Google here. Just type their name. Type the name of the cream, QEI Plus. Then their website will appear. So if their website appear, let me just show you what I mean, guys. So it will appear like this, and you will see the different types of cream, because they have different types. As you can see, they have the gold, they have this one, they have different type. They have this one is what I'm using. This particular one is what I'm using. So they also have this one, and they have for baby too. If you have baby, you want to use it on your baby. So this is it, guys. So you can just go online and type their name, and they will ask you to register. If you never buy cream from them, they will ask you to register. So you can just go ahead and give your name and your address. So, and you click the products that you want, because they have different types. They have the carrots, they have different types. So you just go ahead and choose the one that you want to use. So and you click it, and then you place your order. So maybe they can ask you to give your email address. You can just give them your email address, because if you order, they have to send you the where you can be checking for your order. Where you can be checking for your order, the tracking, they have to send you the tracking number where you can track to see where your order is. But believe me, if you order, if you are in Europe, because I'm in Europe currently, I don't know about Africa, but if you are living in Europe, if you order 2 days, it take me like always 2 days if I order. Because why it's good to order on their website, guys? Because it's sure, you know that you are getting the real product. But if you go into any store and buy, I don't say they are not real, but you know they have many fake. So that's why I see some people can buy this cream, they use it, they don't see results because it's fake. They have many lots of fake products out there. So you have to be careful too. That's why sometimes it's good to order online. Because me, I always order my cream online. Always. I never bought it in shop. I always order it online, for me to be sure that I'm getting the right product. And if you order it online, they make sure they send you the tracking number. That's why when you place your order, they have to ask for your email address, because they have to send you the tracking number where you can see or know what is wrong or where your product is. So yeah, guys, but as I'm saying, this cream is good. It cannot whiten up your skin or bleach your skin, but guys, believe me, it gives you the tone. It just maintain your color and give you the tone you are looking for, giving you that smooth skin. So as you can see, I'm really happy the way my skin is looking. It's normal. It's not whitening up, it's not bleaching, but just giving me that normal skin tone. So I'm very happy and appreciate with that. Only one thing about my face, if I'm seeing my monthly period, I'm having some breakouts. That one I cannot help it. Because it came all the time. It's like that. When I just wanted to see my period, they came here. This, I have one here, no, 2 here, 1 here, and 1 here. This one, they are very stubborn. They come every month. No matter what I do, they come. No matter which kind of product I apply, they come, so I cannot help it. But as my period finish, you see they go again. That is the goodest thing about it. But you can go ahead to order. It's very simple, because many people are asking me how they can order. It's very simple. Just go on Google. Go on Google Play Store, and Google, and you just dial listening QEI Plus Paris. You see their website will appear, and this website, just click the website, and you will see their creams, different products, soap, cream, oil, Vaseline. So anyone you want to try, just click on the product, so something will appear. If you are a member, you have to log in inside, but if you are not a member, they will ask you to register. Just go ahead and register. You give your name and your address, so that where they can send the product, of course. So they will be needing your address, and then they will ask for your email address, so where they can send the tracking number and the dates how you can receive your product. So it's very simple, guys, to order. So this is what I'm using. So I just say, okay, since my package come, let me just open it with you guys. So, but one thing about this cream, guys, it's really thick, as you can see. See, it's really thick. If you are using this, just be ready to get sweat, because it can make you sweat. It's really thick, but it's good. See, you can see it. Yeah, you can see it. And it feels really soft. It feels really soft on the body, guys. So I'm just doing adverts. They are not paying me, so I'm just coming to show my love to you guys, because this is what I'm using, and I'm really happy the way my skin is looking. So I just say, let me share with you guys out there, so I can help 1 or 2 persons to be using this too. And some people don't know which cream to use, so I just come and say, let me share what I'm using. So if you have interest, so you can go ahead and try it, guys. Okay, I think I've talked too much. That's all for this video, guys. So if you want to try it, this is the way you can order it online. They have some shops, but make sure, if you want to get it from any beauty shop, make sure that you get it in these big beauty shops, where you can be sure, not all these small Asia shops, because most of them, they have the fake products. Because most of them, they have this fake product. So if you want to buy it, make sure you go into a big beauty shop, where you know that they have everything, you know that it's standard shop, or you order it on their website. That one is 100% sure, you know that you are using the original product. You are not using fake. You know that it's coming direct from them. So okay, so guys, I think I've talked too much. Let me just end this video here. Thank you very much for watching. So if you do like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, guys. For any time, any day I upload a new video, you will be also notified. I don't know why all the time I want to call this one. It's kind of sometimes, it's kind of just somehow notify. Yes, you will be notified. Click the notification bell, so anytime I post a video, you will be notified and have it. Thank you for watching. Love you guys. So bye.